So friends, today we were going to
हिंदी
draw
में देखने
some
के लिए ऑडियो ट्रैक से
landscape.
भाषा बदलो।
The house situated near the lake. For that you will need some blue, yellow, white, black, yellow and orange, pink. Now try to draw some light diluted shade to the sky. Leave some patches for like further working. Don't paint your whole sky. Leave some patches in between. So we can paint it further, giving them the cloud effect. Now we will mix one shade lighter color, then the sky. Mix little white in your previous shade and try to disappear or blend the previous marks, and somewhere you can use pure titanium white, so like it will give the illusion of distance. So further we will blending it properly. You should notice your painting that your blending is happening good or not. Now little pink, blue and white. We need to mix a very light purplish color. With that we will give some shading under the mountain, assuming that the light is not reaching to that part. This is the basically important study, that where we have to use the dark and where we gonna use little light shades. Now let's do this tricky part. It's little bit tricky, but with careful and following the process. Yeah, about the process. The process is basically very important. You have to follow the process. If you don't follow the process, then you will not get any result which will catch your expectations. Now let us draw some tree lines, and now we are painting some snow between the trees and some calyps, distance vision. Like you have to keep very subtle colors, not so bright tone. Basically you have to always give notice on your tones. Okay, shade is very different thing, and tones, you have to always notice your tones and always use cool color for a distance and warm color, bright for the closer look. The exposure of painting you should need to understand. Now mixing the light brown gives some shade of the muddy mountains, little bit distance. Actually this is basically to block in the areas, because if we block it now, then later on we will get easily to paint it properly. The hue, you have to maintain always the colors and hue, and the contrast. Third thing is contrast. You will always study the contrast between the colors and shades, how you will adjust this brightness, contrast and exposure. With some blue and black mixture, we should try to make a dense water and here you will learn the density. If you give the in further video I will explain it completely, so join and subscribe me. In future I will tell much about it, how the density of color also depending the balancing your color theory. Actually there is like some colors in minority and some in majority. In one video I can't explain the whole things, so slowly step by I will tell you about these things. Now we will draw one beautiful tree behind the home. Actually this is the tree which having very nice blue colors, flowers, and hence we are drawing it, so it will give beauty to your, the background of this tree will support your house actually, or whatever like there you will paint. Just you will need patience to follow the process. If you follow the process properly, I assure you, you will get very quickly better in your painting, and I will also help you but with my tutorials. So paint with me, learn with me. I am a passionate painter that I am selling my art from 10 years. All what have I learned and what will I learn in future, because learning will never ends. I will share my experience, my journey with you, and let's paint together. This is some kind of burnt umber color with red. With the practice you will get all the things, because color mixing is also important and all is important, so you need to learn very properly. I will bring more lessons for you describing the process and color mixing, color theory, hue, brightness and all. Now dividing our area of the path, the little heap of the mud where there one way is, some steps are going towards the home, and during the making step you should decrease the size of them while going to the further, and increase the size while they are coming towards you. And one step light color, one step with dark color, giving little flow to the water with titanium white. Now we will draw few element of the painting with which our actually close-up work will come into our eyes, like some catchy work with which the painting are catching people's eyes. And all you see these bright colors, yellow, pink, red, orange, they are coming in work of now. You can make another color flower also, like purple, magenta, green, purple, jade. So many colors there are, you can paint with that. Try to paint beautiful flower. Hope you liked my video. Please For more video, visit to my channel and subscribe, like. For more tutorial, visit to Adimba Art Studio.